guys and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new Thursday video. But मैंने पता नहीं बट क्यों बोला, बस मेरे मुंह से निकल गया, ऐसे मैंने बोल दिया. So yes guys, बहुत बकवास किया मैंने ना, I know. ऐसा कभी कभी ऐसा हाई हो जाता है बीम, but whatever, let me get back to the video. So welcome back to my another video, and if you are new here, welcome guys. So if you are new here, let me just tell you that I make videos on bullet journaling, food challenges, some random sketches, basically every random thing that comes to my mind. So yeah, do subscribe if you are into this random things which I show up with. स्पेसिफिक वीडियो बन रही है जो आपको ऑब्वियसली थंबनेल टाइटल सबसे पता चल चुका है. आई एम back with another bullet journaling video. It is planned with me February, and oh my god guys, just so much excited because मेरा इस मंथ का थीम जो है वो मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद आया है. इस मंथ थीम इज बेसिकली स्टिकी नोट्स. और यू रिमेम्बर हम ऐसे टाइम टेबल्स वगैरह बनाते थे, फिर वी यूज टू हैव अ हैंगर लाइक जिसपे हम सब कुछ स्टिक करके रखते थे, हमारा टाइम टेबल वगैरह सब कुछ, जो भी स्टिकी नोट्स जो एग्जाम के लिए भी हमें इंपॉर्टेंट होता था वो हम स्टिक करके रखते थे. सो बेसिकली यू कैन से कि इस महीने का जो मेरा थीम है, इट्स लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजिंग स्टफ. सो मच हैप्पी विद द थीम ऑफ दिस मंथ. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू द वीडियो एंड सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट.
So as you guys know, I just love to start my every bullet journal with a quote. So for this month also I've decided to go for a quote, and according to my theme I just made out a background like this, and I just like hanged a little paper on it which says life is magic. Then I just made out life to be a bit bold, and then I just gave a backdrop with and colored the clips and just made out magic to like look a bit more good, and then colored a bit. Then for the very first page I have decided to do the same thing. I made the same background with it, and then I just decided to hang some paper and make it happen with help of clips, and just wrote February in it. And in the second paper I just wrote out 2021, and we all know plants are like so good with the organizing stuff, and it just looks so good, so I decided to have a plant. And after that I also decorated February to be a bit bold so that it is very much visible from very far if you want to see, and it actually looks good. This is how it should be, because when you're hanging stuff it should be looked from outside. And I just wrote a little note of you go. Then in next two pages I decided to do my monthly as usual. So I just gave the same backdrop which I am using for this month, which actually looks so good. And for the month I decided to make it look like shelves which are like hanging from top, and also to complement them I also made two hanging pots there, because let's just admit it, the pots look good with everything. And same I did on the next page and made out a monthly which looks like is made of shelf, and which actually looks pretty good. And then again gave same backdrop to back of the page, and to write down the February for the heading I just like made out a ribbon kind of thing which looks actually pretty fancy. And to write the day I made out sticky notes hanging from the shelf, and which actually looks pretty good, and I'm pretty much happy with the way the whole thing turned out to be. Just wait for the whole coloring, and that page looks damn awesome. On the very next page I decided to make the column for the songs which I write every month. So I just gave it the single backdrop for my page, which I have carried on for the whole theme, and I'm just so much obsessed with this theme, and it looks so good that I just couldn't get enough of it, so I just made out that, and I just wrote songs in bold letters and gave a simple backdrop to that also, because that backdrop turned out so good and looked so awesome. On the very next page, I am doing my IF log thing, and I again made the same backdrop and cliffhanger this little notes in which I am going to draw my log, and I am just going to write IF log in bold in heading and just going to make it look like this. So the next page is going to be my mood tracker, which I wanted to make it super nice, because yeah, if the page of mood tracker looks good, then my mood will definitely lift up, I feel that. So for that, I just made my usual backdrop and made key and a note with written be happy, and then I made 28 small boxes which I hanged from that and just written mood tracker on top and gave the usual backdrop which I have. So just look at it, how this simple backdrop of the highlighter which I'm giving gives the whole page a whole different look, and it just makes it look so much better with it. And for now, the second page, it's my habit tracker. I have decided to cut this page into half just because I liked it this way, and I also wanted a very little space for my habit tracker, so I just did that. So this is my habits tracker, and I'm completely happy with the way it turned out. I'm just super happy with it. So my next page is going to be my movies page also. So I didn't had very much to do on this page, so I just hanged a paper, highlighted paper with written movies on it. And so the last spread for this month is my YouTube calendar, and you guys know how much I'm obsessed with this calendar, because it actually helps me a lot with planning my videos, when to shoot, when to edit, and everything is just on time when I feel this up. So it's actually very much important for me. So for this, I gave the usual backdrop of the net which I have given, and I hang 2 pages, one with a YouTube sign and the another paper in which I'm going to write calendar, and then 4 new strips down there which are just going to be like weeks for this month. I am decided to go it with the weeks this month, so yeah. And on a little note there, I just wrote down be true to yourself, which I think is very important. So this whole last page is going to be my weekly spread, the first weekly spread of February, and I just feel that it is just so good. And for that, I made 3 columns on one side and 3 on the other, because we are having 6 days for this week, like first week of the February. And on the very second page, I decided to drop 3 pages and a notes section differently, and going to hang draw hanging flower, because flowers, let's just face it, flowers makes everything better. I already told that, but yeah, I just love flowers. So, and also gave a beautiful backdrop to it which looks really good, and it also gives the whole new definition to the page. So yeah, I just love doing that backdrop thing, and then I just wrote you matter there. So guys, this is how the whole month of February spreads look, and I'm just so much happy with them. It actually looks too good to be true. Sometimes I feel I can't believe that I made it, but yeah, I'm happy that I'm getting better at it day by day. So yeah, tell me how do you like it in comment section, and remember, I'll be replying to all of you guys. So yeah.
Guys, did you see that? ओ माय गॉड, मतलब यहाँ तक देख लिया तो ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे आप ये सुन रहे हो तो ऑफ कोर्स अपना आगे का पूरा देख लिया, एंड आई एम oh my god, I'm just so much happy with this theme, how it turned out to be. I'm just so much happy with it. So yeah, I just can't stop smiling because I loved it. I genuinely loved the theme of this month. So if you like it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell ताकि जब भी मेरी वीडियो है सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन सिर्फ आपको आ जाए. And a bit of update I would say, Mondays नहीं आएंगे अभी थोड़े टाइम के लिए वीडियो. I don't know कब तक के लिए, but मेरे exams are near. I haven't got the dates yet, but yeah, exams are near, so I have to study for that too, because I need a place to stay. Yes. Hit like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, stay nice. Bye bye.